Hello. In this video, we will be going over installing DLA software. This will cover how to install DLA software to your computer. There are a variety of data link adapters that work with mPower Connect. Reference the service tool tutorial and other videos to determine the appropriate DLA for your EMP system or component. Please note you will need admin rights to install drivers to your computer. To install the drivers for your DLA, navigate to the manufacturer's website and download the driver there. If you need the driver for the EMP TTL link converter, which is this picture down here in this corner, that is installed with the EMP service suite. If for some instance you still need the driver, that can be downloaded separately. To download that driver, navigate to our website at emp-corp.com. Navigate to the customer login section and put your email address and password. If you do not have an account, click on the red text to register today. Log in. Once we log in, we're going to navigate to the support tab. Go to drivers and downloads. To download the driver for the TTL EMP link converter, it will be located under drivers for EMP hardware tab. Click on the blue text. This will take you to a software informational page, which will give you some basic information about the software you're about to download. To download it, you're going to agree to the terms and conditions, download the file, and save it to a place you'll remember on your computer. And then you can open up that .exe file to install the driver. Just please note again that this driver is installed with the service suite as well. If you have additional questions or need additional assistance, feel free to email us at service@emp-corp.com.